This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up and making sure the unit has juice. This avoids interruptions. Once powered, disconnect any paired phones and remove cables so settings reset cleanly. Press and hold the power button briefly to confirm on, then identify the Bluetooth and volume +/- controls so you can perform button combinations. Make sure you're in a quiet area to hear tones. This step prepares the speaker electronics and memory for the reset sequence. Don't skip charging or disconnecting devices. You now perform the actual reset. Press and hold the Bluetooth and volume - buttons together for about 10 seconds. Maintain firm pressure. You'll see LEDs flash or hear a tone confirming the reset. This indicates stored pairing and settings are cleared. Release the buttons only after the confirmation. If no response, power the speaker off for 30 seconds, then try again. Make sure not to press other buttons simultaneously, because that can interrupt the reset routine. Once the reset finishes, power the speaker off and back on to complete the reboot. Wait about 10 seconds. You should see the speaker in your device's Bluetooth list as a fresh SoundLink Mini. Select it and pair using the normal pairing prompt. Test playback at low volume first to verify sound and controls. If pairing fails, make sure to remove any old SoundLink entries on your phone, restart the phone, and then retry. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most leftover pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.